Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the program series. Okay, as we I discussed in the Python series. Okay, so first program is the calculate the average of number in given list. So, okay, so it is a program or problem statements are very clear. Okay, so there is a one list. Okay, and that in that list there are some numbers are there, and we need to find the average of those numbers. Okay, so that's the problem. Okay, that is the program statement. So we have to try to find the steps, or we say flow chart or algo. Okay, so problem solution is that, okay, take the input from user to store the elements in the list. Okay, so first we need to take the input from user. So how many elements you want to store into the list? So let's example, I will say 5 element, someone will say 10 elements. Okay, so based on that, next thing, create the empty list to store the values, okay, or elements. Fourth one, use the loop to take the elements from the user. Okay, so user had to give the 5 elements. Okay, so let's consider I want to store the 5 element into this list. So user should give those 5 values as well. Fourth one, calculate the sum and average value of the number. Okay, so those 4 things we are going to do. So okay, first we are going to take the input from the user. So let's consider I will going to define the one input number variable. Okay, his name is num, so you can give the any num. So let's consider I will give the num. Okay, so its type is integer, because we can calculate the average value of the only float value or integer value. Okay, string value we cannot calculate the average value of string. Okay, enter the element size. Okay, second thing, list one, or I say my underscore list equal to empty. Okay, we're going to create the empty list because we need to store data into this. Now third thing is use the for loop for I into the range, because from where to where we're going to start. Okay, so let's consider if I put the 5, so it should beginning from the 0 to 5 to n. Okay, after that, if I say I want to store the 5 element into the list. Okay, so my list, so first I want to take the input value, 5 element value of that list. So I'll say el is equal to int input element value or item, we can say. After that, once we need to add it to the list. So my list dot append of this element. So whatever element is come for every iteration, we are going to append into the list. After that, we are going to define the one more variable, that, okay, sum of my list okay, divided by number, and just print the result. That's it, print the result. Okay, average value of the list. So s comma average 5 element I want to store into the list. Number element number 1 is 5, is a 6.4. Okay, so let's consider I want to be here like plus I plus 5 only contact. Sorry, I will just mistake 5. Raw input takes 1 or 2 potential argument, not a given 3. Okay, so I want to just give the message here. I want to print the value of n of I value. Okay, so let's think how we want to do it. Okay, it's not coming. It's not coming. Okay, so let's do it. How can we do it? Okay, we can print here also. Print I value for the time being. Okay, value 0 element is 5, 1 is 6, 3 is 8, 4 is 4, 5 is 3. Okay, so in this way we can print the value and we can calculate the average of given list. Okay, that's it for the program. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and comment and share with your friend. Thank you very much.